Tell me something about yourself. So, how do we answer to this personal interview question?
So this is an interview opening question, and you can follow HESEC approach to answer to this question. Firstly, you can talk about a hook, which is to showcase your passion. For example, I am fascinated by the intersection of technology and consumer behavior. Also, I'm driven by a desire to create, innovative solutions that addresses real world challenges. Then you can talk about your experiences. You can highlight your key experiences. Also, you can add how those experiences molded your personality. Then you can talk about your skills. You have to remember one thing here: when you're talking about your skills, you should talk only about 2 to 3 skills, because the problem statement was tell me something about yourself and not everything. Then you can talk about your accomplishments. When we are talking about our accomplishments, we should remember that we have to quantify them. For example, I managed a team of 5 students, right? This is what you should say instead of I managed a team of students, right? Then we can talk about our goals and motivations. Here we have to understand that we have to connect our career goals to that particular MBA program, as well as that B school. And finally, you can conclude your answer with a good positive statement. So these are some of the things that you should keep in mind while answering to this question.